G'day folks, there's been a few changes in the design of this safety valve. The reaming has disappeared because I asked the customer why we were reaming the hole, and he said he needed a good finish. I said, well, I can do that with the boring bar. He said fine, so the reamer is not being used anymore. The cap and the body were going to be silver soldered, but we've decided to thread them with a 32 TPI ME thread, which will be a bit of fun because it's ages since I've cut an internal thread. Here we go, my usual practice of using the parting tool that's just parted a part off as the stop to pull the material out to. Here I'm drilling a hole with a 7.6mm drill. I won't be using a stub drill, I'll be using a full length jobber drill. I hope it'll start okay on its own. Now we're using a 55-degree turning tool. These first two cuts I think I'll do at a 0.15 feed or a 0.2 feed, see how that goes, and then slow it down to a 0.05 per rev feed for the finish, because that'll be the finish on the body. This is the boring bar I'll be using, minimum bore of 5.5, so it'll get into the 7.6 hole that I've drilled. I recorded this bit of the boring separately because I wanted to show people who don't see G-code very often that using a canned cycle makes it very easy to change certain parameters within the file. All I have to do here to change it is put a 2 in front of the 0.5 in the line which is the canned cycle, and I'm suddenly taking 2.5 deep cuts. It's a really nice feature of canned cycles. Is the simulation for the threading. ME threads are either 32 or 40 TPI in various sizes, but only those pitches. Right, now we're doing some grooving in a grooving canned cycle. Just to remove all this material, I'll be using a Sumitomo GF low cutting force parting insert. That's the grooving finished. A little nick in there, cover for the chamfer. Finish it off. There's our profile, and back to the start of the program. And this is how the simulation looks on the machine that I'll be doing this job on, because it uses DOS basically, and that's the DOS program that Hercus put out. I usually do the simulation in Windows software that Hercus made. Right, I'm really showing this because I wanted some talk time. Tell me, when people ask you to like and subscribe at the beginning of a video, do you ever do that? It's unbelievable. I don't understand why they do it. I mean, you haven't seen the video yet and they want you to like and subscribe. Makes no sense at all. The other thing I wanted to say is that I've been putting out videos almost weekly now for a little while. But I need a few weeks off. I'm having a keyhole laminectomy on my lower spine. At the moment, anytime I'm not sitting down, it hurts. So hopefully that will be fixed. Thank you for watching.